Ready? Start. In state of MP and others, etc., etc., Vinilam Singh and others, etc., etc., 2009, 9 SCC 919, the court observed that it is well settled that power of the High Court to issue an appropriate writ under Article 226 of the Constitution is discretionary full stop. It has been further stated therein that if there is inordinate delay on the part of the petitioner in filing a petition and such delay is not satisfactorily explained, the High Court may decline to intervene and grant relief in the exercise of its writ jurisdiction full stop. Emphasis was laid on the principle of delay and lessons stating that resort to the extraordinary remedy under the writ jurisdiction at a belated stage is likely to cause confusion and public inconvenience and bring injustice full stop. Thus, the doctrine of delay and lassitude should not be lightly brushed aside full stop. A writ court is required to weigh the explanation of offered and the expectability of the same full stop. The court should bear in mind that it is exercising an extraordinary and equitable jurisdiction full stop. As a constitutional court, it has a duty to protect the rights of the citizens, but simultaneously it is to keep itself alive to the primary principle that when an aggrieved person without adequate reason approaches the court at his own leisure or pleasure, the court would be under legal obligation to scrutinize whether the lease at a belated stage should be entertained or not. Full stop. Be it noted, delay comes in the way of equity. Full stop. In certain circumstances, delay and lassitude may not be fatal, but in most circumstances, inordinate delay would only invite disaster for the litigant who knocks at the door of the court. Full stop. Delay reflects inactivity and inaction on the part of a litigant who has forgotten the basic norms. Full stop. In the case at hand, though there has been 4 years delay in approaching the court, yet the writ court choose not to address the same. Full stop. It is the duty of the court to scrutinize whether such enormous delay is to be ignored without any justification. Full stop. That apart, in the present case, such belated approach gains more significance as the respondent employs, being absolutely careless to his duty, has remained unauthorized absent on the pretext of some kind of ill health. Full stop. We repeat at the cost of repetition that remaining unconsciously obvious to such delay does not foster the cause of justice. Full stop. Such delay may have impact on others' ripened rights and may unnecessarily drag others into litigation. Full stop. Para. In our considered opinion, such delay does not observe any indulgence, and on the said ground alone the writ court should have thrown the petition overboard at the very threshold. Full stop. Having dealt with the doctrine of delay and lassitude, we shall presently proceed to deal with the doctrine of proportionality, which has been taken recourse to by the High Court regard being had to the obtaining factual metrics full stop. We think it's appropriate to refer to some of the authorities which have been placed reliance upon by the High Court full stop.